Not a bad Monday morning. Markets are up 81 points right now as far as the Dow is concerned, so decent start on this week. Meantime, life insurance is usually purchased to protect your family, but you may be able to be a beneficiary of your own policy instead. With more on life settlement investing is Frank Darras from Chernoff Bedard Darras Partners. And Frank, so this whole business about what are viaticals, different names, life settlements, how do they work, and why would somebody do that?
Good morning, Tom. Thanks very much. It's seniors across America that are getting targeted to sell their life insurance policies. As unbelievable as it sounds, if you go on TV, radio, punch in your search engine, senior life settlements, it's hawking seniors to try and sell that life insurance policy, and it is big, big business. The ads go something like this. If you need or want better life insurance or cash now, without having to die first, call us for a fast, easy life settlement. Paying too much on that insurance premium? No problem. We'll lower your rates by 60 to 90%. We pay 1 to 5 times the cash value, and you don't have to die first. It's an easy life settlement. Tom, even Betty White is out there on YouTube hawking, selling your life insurance policies. And if we don't think it's a big problem, $6.1 billion in life insurance face amount transferred last year. That's up $1 billion from 2001. And I used to say $1 billion here, $1 billion there. Pretty soon it starts to add up. But it's the wild, wild west out there, and there's no sheriff in town with no regulation and little speed bumps or stop signs to protect my seniors. So here's the problem, Tom. We've got a situation out there where they're not getting much warning, and I'm old-fashioned. You know, I raise my kids to make sure they don't talk to strangers. Now some stranger's going to own daddy's life insurance policies, and here's the way it works. They get sold to hedge funds or pension funds or big business like AIG, Transamerica. They buy these policies at a deep discount and then portfolio them like a bond fund. You're going to die in 2 years, you're going to die in 3 years, and it is big billion-dollar pie business.
All right, let me ask you, Frank, here's the situation. You buy life insurance, your family is young, you have children at home, and you go through the life and the kids grow up and they're doing well, and you and the spouse are now in your senior years and you're going, we've got plenty of investments, we have enough money, something happens to me, she's okay or he's okay. What is the way to monetize that insurance policy that you needed when you were 30 but you don't need when you're 70?
Sure. There's 3 ways that I recommend seniors sell life insurance. Number 1, if they've got a terminal illness, 12 months to live, absolutely sell that policy. Number 2, you can't afford the premiums on the policy, you bet. Get the value out of it and sell it. 3, got a catastrophic event, financial, it's your only asset, sell it, and here's how you do it. You make sure you're dealing with a national company. Number 2, you make sure the agent or broker who is selling your life insurance policy discloses his or her commission schedule. And number 3, you make sure that you see those bids in writing, but not without consequences, Tom. If you get more back than the premiums you paid, you're going to have a tax call from Uncle Sam. Number 2, if you've been getting some assistance like Medicaid or low-income assistance, now you've got income and you're going to lose that. So 3, the circumstances there are, I just explained.
Yep. No, I think your caution is well advised because they are getting to be more advertising about them, and so it's, it is an area where we're kind of short on time here, but I think the caution is very strong. And Frank, I'm glad you're bringing up the other side of the issue on this. It needs to be said.
You bet. We've got to protect our seniors. We've got to get some stop signs and some regulation out there. It's grandma and grandpa, yours and mine. Let's protect them.
Frank Darras in Los Angeles, thank you very much. Cheryl?
Thanks.